good morning. It's Jay here. So for today's video, I am going to Moon. It's located in North. And I'm gonna go to the beach today because it's pretty hot here. So see ya! So now we are here in Carmen. We have to stop in Sindos because that's where we're going to eat our brunch. So it's time to eat. I ordered lempo and fried chicken and the honey. So now we are proceed our trip. So now we are here in Moon and we are going to Juban Beach Resort. Juban Garden din na siya. So I'm on the way to Juban Garden Resort. So finally we just arrived here at the Juban Garden Resort and I'm here. And that's the pool there. And this is the resort. And this is the receptionist, but it seems like nobody's here, so I have to wait until they show up. So this way is the swimming pool. You can day use the resort, but there's an entrance. It costs 150 per head, and of course they required a cottage, and you have to pay for 850 for the cottages. So anyway, they have a room. The room it costs 2,500 per night and up. So I'm here to check this resort, and if I like it, then I will probably go back here to make more video. As for now, I am here for checking. Now I am leaving and heading to the coffee shop, and I need to grab some coffee because I feel a little bit grumpy. Joke. Hi guys, so now we're going to Coastal Coffee and we're gonna grab some coffee. So now I'm here at the Coastal Coffee. Sorry, I need to mute this video because there's a music. I'll always get a copyright. And anyway, so I really like this coffee shop, and the ambience is really good. It's by the sea. It's very relaxing, and for sure I will come back here someday and grab some coffee here. I'm going to order a strawberry creamy, and I want to try also the white chocolate mocha. So I already ordered the drinks, and I'm going to see it's by here by the sea. So I ordered the strawberry, and this is the white chocolate mocha. So this is the view.